Hello, when you're working in this Visual Studio environment within your zybook, we're just going to go over adding a new file and then a couple errors that could occur. So this is going to be my new program that I am going to execute. I need to name it .java. And it sometimes fills in that public class for you, but if that doesn't occur, you need to then type it in, public class, and then it must be named exactly the same as your program. But in this case, I made a mistake because all class names should start with a capital letter. So I'm changing that here. So it's public class, name of the class, and then the curly braces. But then these two are out of sync. So if that happens, we need to rename this file over here, and you can right click, rename. I might have been able to click in there and just rename it, but now I'm going to name it so they are exactly the same, and now my code is happy. The next line of code that you have to put in is that main method, this public static void main. And so the IntelliSense should kind of help you fill it in, and it should help you with this alignment. If the alignment is not correct, then you can always do format document and it will realign things for you. But that's how you get your code or your program executing the first time if you're having problems with that. In order just to see if it is going to execute something, we're going to do a sysout or a system out. Then that's system.out.println and just do our standard hello and then execute just to make sure we have a working environment.